Alrighty, so finished my lathe project. Let's show it off, make a YouTube video. Cataract lathe mounted on wheels. Portable lathe, woohoo. Okay, so that took a little bit to do. So it takes let me move around here. Takes one of these treadmill motors, which I gotta cut that off, that bolt sticking out. That's no good. My pulley arrangement. I made these pieces that fits on the end of a treadmill motor. The brass pieces to conform to a V-belt. Also added an idler pulley here. Old caster with a pulley on it to keep the belt away from things. It works fine. A tensioner here to apply tension on the motor for keeping it stable. Spring loaded, so I can adjust it to any tension. And power supply, of course, is a Variac. The bridge rectifier. I love being insane. It seems to work okay. Haven't machined anything on it yet, but judging by how it runs. So we turn it on. Where are we here? On. Okay. Pretty good, that's okay. I'm going too fast. Okay, gets the spring a little bit here. Not too bad. That works good. So I'm quite pleased with that. It's very sturdy. This is not tin stuff. That's a huge piece that goes all the way down and clamps everything together. Everything's okay. Yeah. Gotta oil it up now. But anyway, he's done. I'm gonna make a little electrical box for these wires, which I'll do. Oh, I guess tomorrow I'll mount that back here with a switch. So that's done. Second one I'm doing, another motor. So what I'm going to do here with this guy is do the same. I'm getting a belt in, so cog type belt, they're better than straight belts. V to V, already a V here. It's going to be simpler, this one. How's my angle of attack? Yeah, I can add up another block and just have this on a hinge. So a smaller one. I gotta machine this down. Always machine your faceplate on the lathe you're gonna put your chuck, right? Being cast iron, it'll be okay. It's not a box. Box is empty, but I could use it for storage. Anyway, yeah, this looks pretty cool. At least in my opinion. I made these parts here, had to do tapers. Nice and tight this guy is. Beautiful compound. I do have a candle style tool holder. I stick it in there and you stick something in the chuck and away you go. Oh, so that was a fun project. Portable lathe, yeah. What else have I been doing? What was that? That's basically it. I test with micrometers and dial indicators. It's very accurate, by the way. Anybody got any 3-letter radios for sale? Hello. How's EPO? Yeah, RBOs and RBCs. Gotta love this stuff. I built the case myself, so works. See what this month brings in radios. How many of these things I got? Yeah, good old eBay. High price stuff never sells. Pickup only never sells for years on eBay. And proper shipping for something about 100 pounds is about 130 bucks shipping UPS or FedEx. I see assholes charging a lot more. I call them assholes because I don't like their high prices. Here's a cool thing. Transmitter. It's quite a transmitter. Hell, anybody out there with any stuff like this, let me know. Thank you. The only other person I know that's crazy as I am is back in Massachusetts. Make this a 10-minute video. Wyatt?
Hi, meow.
Where's Carla? Where did you see Wayne? And did you see Piper today at all? Bright eyes? Okay. Well, almost 10 minutes in a video. Guess I'll go. Won't have easy. Paws and whiskers. Yeah. Okay. What else? Anything else there? Oh, I don't know. Drippy, drippy, drippy.
Hi, meow.
I'll make it 10 minutes and chop it off and stop. Stop. Full stop, Captain.
Hi, meow.
Did you see Piper? Gizmo. Oh, that got your. Well, are you okay? Oh, you're so funny. I know. See your lovely little face. Come on. Give me a kiss. Mwah. He's so cute. Yeah. Ooh, whiskers and paws. Mwah. Okay, love.